Well, hello there, kids! Welcome back to our English class. Do you already know the difference between this and that?
Let's talk about that today. The words this and that are demonstrative pronouns which are used to indicate something. Not only this, but they also come in the category of demonstrative determinators, which are used before a singular noun that tell you which person or object you are talking about.
We use the word this, THIS, to point out a person or object which is close to us. On the other hand, that, THAT, is used to point out a person or an object which is farther from you. For example, this sweater fits me well, but that one is too big for me. Another, this notebook is mine. That notebook is yours.
In both the examples, you might have observed that when we use the word this, it indicates that the object is closer to the speaker. But that reflects that the object is at a distant place.
Take note, these demonstrative pronouns are only used if the subject you are pertaining to is a singular object or only one subject, like this apple. I am only holding one apple. And that apple. I am pointing to only one apple on the table.
In short, if you are describing one object near you, use this. If you are describing one object far from you, use that.
It's so easy. Now, tell me which demonstrative pronoun to use here. Blank is a camera. This or that? Correct. This is the appropriate word to use in the blank spot. We would say, this is a camera.
What about this? Blank is a kite. Should we use this or that? That's right. It would be, that is a kite.
You're doing a great job so far, kids. Now, can you tell me which demonstrative pronoun should I use in this sentence? Blank is a butterfly. What is the answer? Very good. That is a butterfly.
Well, that's how we use the pronouns this and that. You did so well, kids. Congratulations. See you on our next episode.